So I was scrolling through my feed the other day and caught this. Yes, please. On research though, I found out this was sold 6 years ago. And we know that means, so let's go searching. And, what? No way. These prices can't be real. That's crazy. 75 bucks with 27 for shipping? No, sir. We need to figure out how to make our own. First, we need a master sword, which I'll take the blade off and change for a shoehorn. Maybe a longer one. Wait, why does it have to be plastic? Yes, metal, perfect. And while we're at it, why not a stand too? Can't have the master sword laying on the floor, right? And that's our plan. First, we need to find a shoehorn, and thankfully they are way affordable. Nice. And it's already here. Perfect. Let's open this guy up and see what's inside. Whoa, what's that mysterious glow? What do we have here? Yeah, like I'm gonna waste that song here. No. Anyway, here's the full metal shoehorn. Hefty. Only problem though is this bit here. Yeah, I have an idea with the hilt, but it's not gonna fit in with that weird kink, and it is way hard to bend. Like, super hard. Like, that's actual force. Let's figure this out later though. Next is the hilt. Where are we gonna find that? Well, luckily there's this user named GeoPrince13, and he made the perfect thing for this project. It's a telescoping master sword, but it has a removable blade, which means I can print it without the blade and just stick in the shoehorn. And what luck, it prints without supports. If you're into 3D printing at all, you know how useful it is not to have to use supports. But anyway, that's our hilt. And here's a trial print. Yes, it's gray. I didn't have any blue at the time, so I'm ordering it right now. I measured it to the size of the shoehorn handle, but like we mentioned a bit earlier, that handle is going to be a bit of a problem. So let's take care of that right now. A mallet. Yeah, this thing is going to take care of that handle, no problem. Tap, tap, tap. And there it is, it's flattened. Oh, well, mostly flattened. But it proves the metal isn't unbendable, so let's keep going. And now that the blue filament came in, let's print it. Yay! It's a little light on the blue, but I still like the way it looks. It kind of pops. Now, a test fit with that shoehorn and bloop! There. Looks like the mallet did its job, and we can cap it off, and let's go. Next step. Now this next step is something new to me. I've never used this stuff, but basically you mix part A with part B and equal. Mix it around and you'll get some of this tasty looking forbidden frosting. There it is, yummy. And then spread it inside. Get some on the handle as well. Essentially it's just gonna harden into this hardened stuff? I don't know. But yeah, pack it in, cap it off. And then you still have to kind of spread on the inside, at least I think you would, so I did the only thing I knew what to do. Something that I could get demonetized for. Yay. Anyways, a great tip from a great maker, Laura Kampf. Let glue dry. While that's going, let's make a stand. Now, I'm not a 3D modeler by trade at all, but a friend of mine who understands gave me a great tip. He said that modeling, at least this kind of modeling, is best looked at as things you need to extrude. So I started with a drawing of the shape I wanted, in this case, a view from the top. Then I extruded it into a block. And from that, if I wanted a hole in the middle, I would basically anti-extrude or cut into that first block. Next, I gave it an angle, and then from there, I drew the Triforce onto the surface of that wall, and then again, extruded. And there it is. Now all I have to do is throw it into a printer, and there it is, from digital data to real physical world. I never get tired of that concept. And with the glue being dry, I present to you the Master Sword Shoehorn. I really love how it came out. I mean, especially that metal bit. It just gives it a little bit more wow. And it's certainly got some weight to it with that metal too. And the stand I made, I use this technique called fuzzy skin. It's the first time I've ever done it, and I love the way it hides 3D print lines so well. Anyway, that's how I made this Master Sword Shoehorn. I hope you guys give it a shot too. Until next time!